Alright, well, I got my fossil hammer here with me. I'm walking to the river there to look for arrowheads. But take some samples in here. Look at that layer in there, and a lot of this stuff has fossils in it, and you can bust it open. There's a lot of it with some weird fossils in it. Right there, some. I'll have to get some samples here and bust it open and see what I can see. But we'll come back here on a day when I have a lot of time and really go through this stuff, and I'll get pictures of the fossils and stuff. But I'm gonna go try to find an arrowhead. I follow this creek to the river and look at, I found points in here on video, but I'm not seeing nothing today. It's bad conditions. Well, anyway, I'll get back to you later. Well folks, I'm making my way to the river to hunt for arrowheads, and I stopped at this rock face here and I'm finding fossils. Look at that little fern right there. I'll put up better pictures. There's like bark there, more ferns there, and I think I got an insect. Look right here. You can see the body of it in the head and like wings coming off. I'll put up better pictures, but I think that's like a carbon imprint of a ancient insect. Look at that. How lucky today. And look at these little ferns there. I'll put up pictures, and there's stuff on that one. I'll get pictures of this stuff. Later, folks. That's awesome. We'll have to make another trip back here. Later. There's part of a leaf there, and then if you come over here, there's a bunch of it. Look at that. There's going to be some nice fossils come out of here, and there's like fossils just loaded in it. Look at them. And I got that little like insect thing. I'm taking that. Try to get better pictures. I'll get a picture of it, but that looks like an insect to me. There's all these other fossils, so it's something. Later. Well folks, I got a really cool find, and it's not in the sifter, it's sticking down in. It's a real little point, and I was looking at this stuff real close because I was seeing all kinds of little flakes of flint. Look at them. There's one, there's another one up there, but right here you can see, and I'm using 1/4 inch screen in this thing. You have 1/2 inch, this points right through. It's what I was talking about before. Look right here, you can see the edge of it. Look at this. I pulled it out already, but that's just where it was at. It's a little smoker of a triangle. Look at that, folks. It's another little tiny bird point triangle. I'll put this on a penny. Look, it's got little ears on the base. Wow, that's cool. Another tiny one, man. To go with the other one, I'll show you the other one with it. Cool find. Later, folks. All right, man, do I got a nice point. And I'm right where I found that triangle, and I've never found anything old on this site. I've been really struggling, so I moved to a newer site that I've only found like late woodland and Mississippi and stuff on, mostly triangle points. But some of them are pretty nice, so I was trying to get a couple, and I got one little one. And man, I got like an Amos point, and I didn't get much in. I was just scraping on the edge of the shore here, where I was seeing little flakes of flint. Man, do I have a nice point. This is the first one I've ever found here in like probably 50 trips. See if you see it. Man, it's just nice. It's real symmetrical. It's right here. Oh my goodness. That's definitely an Amos. You can see the serrations here on one side. Wow, that's nice, folks. Boy, that's a month maker, ain't it? Beautiful point, beautiful. Well, I'll get back to you. I'm having a good day, 2 points already. Later. Well, there's the 2 triangles from the last week. Let me wipe the screen off here real quick. But these ain't bad. But man, they're little, aren't they? They both fit on a penny. I just wanted to show them both there together. These are tiny little Mississippian triangles. A lot of people call them war points. These are pretty cool. Later, folks. Alright, here's this Amos from this video. This one I found towards the end of March. It's pretty nice. It's got that basal thinning on it. It looks like it's almost bifurcated, like a notch-based dovetail. Lightly serrated. Most of the serrations are worn off from use wear, but that's a pretty solid point. Happy to get that one. Early archaic, real nice chipping, real nicely made work point. Another good one, folks. Lake and Barb's both being on there. Later.